Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra. So I've just upgraded to the Apple Watch Ultra. Obviously, as you all know, I just changed to iPhone a few months before the release of the iPhone 14s, like maybe 1 month I guess. And I just got the Series 7 because that was my first time using Apple Watch. I just didn't want to wait for the Series 8, but obviously I wasn't expecting for the Apple Watch Ultra to come out. I mean, rumors were out, but well, I just didn't wait for it. And because that was my first time using an Apple Watch, I just didn't want to go for the really highest end because I just want to get familiar with the watch OS and things like that before I make a decision on which watch that I want. So there are many reasons why I finally got the Apple Watch Ultra that we shall talk about in the later part of this video. But before that, let's take a look at the watch and which is the watch band that I got, and let's unbox it together and take a look at it. Here's the Apple Watch Ultra. Obviously the Apple Watch could have been a bit more vibrant. So the Apple Watch Ultra that I got is of course there's only one size, which is the 49mm, and I got the Midnight Ocean Band color. So I've got the Ocean Band here. This is my first time using Ocean Band. I've already tried out the Trail Loop, but this is my first time trying the Ocean Band. So now let's get into unboxing this Apple Watch Ultra. So firstly, let's be patient and open up the straps. Let's open up the other side too. Expand it and make sure you don't tear it out. There you go, and let's open it up. So here we go, the Apple Watch Ultra is opened. Yep, it's really big packaging, and as you can see I really can't fit it inside the camera, but just trying my best to. Of course the packaging is all different from our usual ones. I mean, you all would have seen the packaging by now, so there isn't much for me to talk about, but it's my first time, so let's open up this book first. Of course there's the Alpine Loop. The Alpine Loop, this I got a third party, so got the Alpine Loop, and I've got the Ocean Band. Okay, just how to charge and things like that, and of course lots more instructions on how do you on the dev computer and things like that. Really cool booklet. I mean, obviously I've seen a lot of these before, and yeah, these the usual ones. And where's my Apple stickers? Where is my Apple stickers? Maybe when I open it up, there might be. Let's see. We've got the Apple Watch Ultra here. Before we take a look at the Apple Watch Ultra, let's put it aside for now. And let's take a look at the Ocean Band first. Here's the Ocean Band. Nothing pretty fancy. Here we have the seal, so let's just break it up and open up the strap. Oof, okay. That is a really good premium cardboard packaging. A really quality one, I would say. Let's take it out of this. Here we have our Ocean Band. Let me take out the other side too. Okay, it's quite nice, and I guess this is the adjusting loop or something, if I'm not wrong. I've seen YouTube videos on how to open this, so let me just give it a try. I'm not really sure how that works. I gotta figure that out. Let me just put this back in for now. We shall take a look at the strap later. Now here we are onto the main product, which is the Apple Watch Ultra. And you would have already seen, so this is the Apple Watch Ultra 49mm titanium Midnight Ocean Band. So let's just break the seals up first. There we go. Opened up. One seal over. Now onto the other side. Neat. And let's open it up. Okay, there we go. That's the Apple Watch Ultra. Of course, before we take a look at this watch, let's take a look at these instruction manuals, I guess. Let's open those up. How do I open this? Oh, okay, sorry, my bad. That's not the instruction manual. This is the braided charging cable. I really want to think about whether if I want to use this braided cable or whether I want to just continue using my old charging cable. Well, that I shall think about, but for now, that is it. Now let's close that up and let's take a look at the watch itself. There we go, the watch, Apple Watch Ultra. So here's the watch itself. Let's unwrap it from its wrapper. Just open it up from the sides and carefully we take it out. Okay, push it out, and there we go. The Apple Watch Ultra is out. Apple Watch Ultra 49mm titanium ceramic. Here's the scroll wheel, the power button, and here we have the famous action button. Now it's time onto the straps. Let's try to place these straps on and we shall see. So to put on these straps, I need the instruction manual because I have no idea on how to put these up.
One eternity later.
Okay, fantastic. I really have no idea what to say because I spent so much of time trying to put this in and I put it in the other way around. This loop here is supposed to be this way, but I put it the other way, so now I gotta redo it all over again. Honestly, I just realized, because when I was trying to put it in the other way around, it was so hard, but when I put it in the front way, it was so easy. All I had to do was just, let me just show it to you again, just take it, twist it, and in it goes, and I just put it back in. Yeah. Let me just take this watch out. Let's put it aside, and let me try to wear this watch. The watch strap messed up again. Because I think I'm supposed to put it in like all the way in, so that maybe I'm able to clutch it in. Oh, fantastic. I was supposed to put it in one of these hoops, but I put it in here. Ooh, this band is a total mess. Okay, maybe I shall settle the watch band later. Now let's move on to this watch. Apple Watch Ultra with the ocean band. Now let's just turn it on. Yeah, there we go. The watch is turning on. There you go. That's the usual setup screen. Of course, I'll set it up later, because it's just the first impressions, and that's the Apple Watch Ultra 49mm with the ocean look. So now let me just take it out, because I just need to go and fix the strap later. Now onto the reason why I decided to get the Apple Watch Ultra and upgrade for my Series 7, which I just bought. I mean, you all would have seen the unboxing videos. I really did a comprehensive video of 4 or 5 videos of me changing to iPhone, me buying the Apple Watch Series 7, the Series 7 here, and buying the different straps and things like that. Of course I did. And at that time, the usage for me for Apple Watch was pretty minimal. I mean, of course, I was really using the features on the smartwatch and things like that, but I was really connected to a charger all the time. Charging wasn't really a big issue for me, and I wasn't using this watch much, because if I'm going to go for a run, before that it will be topped off to maybe 70 or 60 or 70, and maybe after my run I'll have like 30%, which is fine for me, because once I'm back from my run, I have my charger with me and I can just charge and I can get it back to 100. It was kind of easy. Recently, like a few months ago, when I started using this watch more intensively, I was using it for more workouts, to track walks and things like that, because I was going on long walks and things like that, and runs. But the problem was, I was using it for this intense task, but the problem was I didn't have time to charge this watch. And every time I charge it, I could only charge it to like 50%, and then I have to take it off the charger, wear it, and off I go again. And also, when I could charge it to 100%, I was using the Series 7 to a point where I had to charge it like close to 2 times, or maybe sometimes even 3 times a day, because I would just go on workouts and then the battery will be gone, and I'll have to charge it again, and sometimes I might get to charge it to 100, so I'll get to charge it to 100, and by the time it's bedtime, because I track my sleep too. The Apple Watch Series 7 is on my hands every single time except when it's charging. When it's not charging, it's on my hands. That's how it works. I'm always wearing it. It's always on my wrist, always tracking every single thing that I do. So battery life was really important for me, and charging it 3 times a day just wasn't, I just couldn't do it. It's not because I couldn't charge it, it was just because I didn't have the time to charge it. So I'll use it at night, and then once I'm back to bed, I need it to be at 100%, because the next day, because I'm going to wear it to sleep, I'm going to put my alarm, and the next day when I wake up, if I charge it to 100%, the next day when I wake up, it will be at around 90 or 85 sometimes 80%. So let's say one night it consumes 20% battery, and because I don't put it on low power mode or anything, and it's connected to my phone all the time, so battery life was really a very big issue for me. Morning I'll wake up, I'll be at 80%, then off I go, because morning I don't have time to charge, so off I go. Or sometimes if I get to charge, I'll just charge it 10%, will bring it up to 90. When I'm back and I get to charge, it's at 40%, and maybe I get to charge until like 60, off I have to go. So it's just very busy nowadays, and the Apple Watch Series 7 battery just isn't lasting me as much as I need. That's basically the reason why I got the battery life, is the only reason why I got this, because Series 7 is a really good watch. I have no complaints with this watch. It really helps me with all the tasks that I do. I've just been using it all the time for every single thing, and it works perfectly fine. I might have waited. I could have waited till the end of the year to get the Ultra, but according to rumors, apparently there isn't any Ultra refresh this year. So I decided to believe these rumors and go for it, and also at the same time, I really couldn't wait until the end of the year to get this, to get maybe a new refresh of Ultra, because I really need the watch basically right now. Really need it. So that's the reason why I got the Ultra. Of course, do leave a comment below if I should do a review on it, because I most probably might be doing a review on the Apple Watch Ultra. Yep, I know it's been quite late. Been a really long time since a lot of reviews would have come out. For those of you who are watching, thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, I've not been really that consistent. I'll really try my best to be consistent. So that's been it for this video. If you like watching, don't remember to click the like button, and do remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye bye.